Today we did 2 dives, one early morning dive at Liberty Wreck. The visibility was actually quite interesting. We were not lucky today. There was no bumphead parrotfish because there was already group coming out when we just went into the water. We went into the water like 6:30 and the group already came out. So probably because of them the parrotfish is already left. And the reason we went there so early was the parrotfish, but we didn't see it. But we decided that we will do the night dive, and then definitely we will see them. The second dive was also really interesting. We tried to do the coral garden, but the high tide was coming up and the current was really strong. So finally we were not able to reach the sculptures or underwater statues, and we turned around and we drifted all the way to Liberty Wreck. Second dive, Inna liked way more than the first one. She had a break since February when she did a course in Gili Islands, and today it was like a kind of refreshing everything. When I was asking about the first dive, she said, yep, it was good, but I didn't really remember it. There was like just the splashes of memories I remember, but the second dive she liked a lot. I kind of actually cool to do all these early morning dives, because then you finish the diving really early. Like we finished around 9:30 with all this 1 hour break between the dives. Today I used the underwater light and you can compare the footage. I think it's gonna be easier for me to edit it, but like I said yesterday, not always you can use underwater lights and get a really good footage. In some situations it really works, in some situations it doesn't. I would like to say for the wide angle videos probably doesn't work. For like a close-ups, then of course underwater light works really well. But like I said, a good underwater video light is not cheap, and that's something you have to consider. Today I was just holding in a hand, and mostly I'm holding in a hand because then it's giving you a bigger angle, and then that's how you can somehow manage the shadows. Another news is from Amed. So the vaccination finally reached Amed as well. Today, local government started vaccination for the tourism workers. I mean, local tourism workers, and the vaccination is going on. It's for free, but I think it's a limited amount of the people they can vaccinate at the moment. I'm still on a waiting mode. I'm not rushing. We'll see. We are not going to move anywhere. We are not going to travel, so it's not mandatory for us to do the vaccination. I heard that someone told the local people that they will not be able to work in the tourism if they are not doing vaccination. It's a kind of, I don't know, I think it's not really correct to do things like that, because vaccination, I think it should be voluntary anyways. If they're forcing to do it now, so for how long it works, this vaccination, as we know it's only for 6 months, then you have to do another vaccination. Does the borders going to be open in this 6 months? That's another question. So maybe it's absolutely useless. Maybe I'm not right. So, but that's what I'm thinking at the moment. Thank you very much for watching me today again. Subscribe, follow on Instagram and Facebook, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.